our time. You already know, I ain't gotta tell them why. Get your hands to the sky. Get your hands to the sky. Yeah. Ain't no glory for the faint of heart. We all stars, win or lose, we don't play the part. And when the going getting tough, I get to going hard. You bring your best and you know I'ma tear them apart. We been in survival, rival. I ain't got no time for anyone who ain't put in the work that I do.
Today we're flying our biggest and most ambitious project yet, the DIY jet. This is by far the biggest and most powerful jet we've ever showcased on this channel, with it running on a dual 50mm setup. So to power the jet and the FPV, we just undo the hatch like this, we just connect it with a magnet. We're running it on a 4S 2200 milliamp battery, should give us plenty of power.
As we were testing the plane, we ran into some issues.
Alright, so we were just about to do the Maiden Flight when we ran into some issues with one of the engines. So the left one is working fine, but the right one is like vibrating. It's making really weird noises, and it's not running full throttle.
I'm gonna try to recalibrate it again.
So we quickly opened up the plane to see what was going on.
Yes! Yes!
What?
One wire's disconnected.
Oh.
We did not fry anything, we are good.
So what happened is one of the engine wires got disconnected, so we quickly put it back together, and now we're ready for the flight.
Good. Okay, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah, see,
I pulled too much. No, it's fine. It's fine. I pulled up too much.
Crazy. Oh, that looked good though. Okay, so.
No, I didn't hit it too. Oh wait. The only thing that broke was. Oh no. Wait. Wheel bends pretty easily.
The heartbeat.
You know what? I'm gonna hand launch it.
Hand launch?
Yeah.
I think this will.
No, I'll just hand launch it.
Do you want to just destroy?
Yeah, I'll retract the landing gears. No, because I can belly land.
Yeah, I know, but like.
Wait, is that it? Yeah.
Is it worth risking like the crash if it doesn't like hand launch, or is it better to just repair and take off again?
Yeah, that's. No, but like if it can't hand launch, it can't. Okay, I'm just gonna unplug. I'm gonna retract the landing gears and. Okay, but it can definitely fly. Okay, wait.
Yeah, these things are like crazy.
Oh fuck. Wait. I gotta bend the landing gears into place again.
That's probably just doing laps.
Okay, landing gears are retracted. Okay, at least it flew. That's the first time something flew for us. But it went like pretty slow flight. Like it took off, but it's not bad. Okay, the camera's still filming. There. Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's little fly. 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit. It has like too much lift.
But did I fall?
I don't know, but it looks like it has so much lift. Like it just like.
It was like front heavy or something.
No, back heavy.
Back heavy?
Cause no, it like pulls up like.
Yeah, actually it might. But center of gravity was fine though. Holy shit.
Dude.
Look at that.
That's crazy.
After analyzing the two flights, I determined that the jet's major flaw was that it was too tail-heavy with an over-aggressive elevon setup. Together, they created a really unstable plane in the vertical axis, which was exposed in both flights where it immediately pitched upwards after entering flight. Somehow, the fuselage and control surfaces made it out with almost no damage, meaning that the jet will be up and running in no time. So stay tuned for flight number 2.
Believe what they see and they telling a friend, yo, go pay the rent. This is our house, we beat them all down. Energized by the crowd, they saying it now. This is our time, hands to the sky. You already know, I ain't gotta tell them why. Hands to the sky, this is our time. You already know, I ain't gotta tell them why. This